sa pagtatanong ni Senator Amy na nakita ba hinawakan ba ni VP yung pera or did she witness any of these things? Hindi. So does that exonerate her?
No, because you have to remember, even the COA, kasi with regards to accountability, COA is a final say. We have to remember that, no? Klaro naman na, even kung ma-recall natin, di ba, nagtanong din si Senator Amy doon sa COA. So di ba ang may responsible dyan, yung Special Disbursement Officer. Ang sabi ng COA, hindi, pati head of agency. Ngayon, bumabalik na naman si Senator Amy. Ang sabi niya, di ba, hindi hinawakan. So pinapakita niya, hindi nakailam si Senator Amy. Pero ang nakalimutan niya, sabi mo nga, inuulit-ulit naman ni Acosta na ang utos galing kay Senator Amy. At kung talagang ang punto ni Senator Amy, si Acosta ang may sala, bakit hindi niya binigyan ng follow-up na since hindi hinawakan niya ni VP Sara, do you agree with me that you are the ultimate responsible? Di dapat binanatan niya ng ganun yung kanyang...
Hindi, pinaiyak niya nung...
mali naman yung tanong niyo. Huling tanong niya is,
kamusta ang asawa mo?
Appeal to emotion. Di ba? Kung ganun, kasi di ba logic yan, hindi siya. O sinong responsable? Dapat ganun ang bagsak. Hindi. Obviously, she was just there to exonerate the VP, which tingin natin, at sabi ko nga, she is no longer a neutral judge. She is a judge for the defense, for the VP. Which
You can say that?
Yeah.
For certain?
For certain. Klarong-klaro,
Well,
kitang-kita.
Can you say for certain other senators are for the prosecution because they grill the witness? For instance, can you say na si the Tulfos?
Hindi.
Tinawag na stupido, di ba? Parang stupido in the name of loyalty.
Yeah, pero hindi ko masasabi naman na lahat ng question nila biased for that. Maybe, to me, I do not also agree to that term being used in court because I don't think such language should be used in court. But let us excuse him for that. Nonetheless, I wouldn't say that the track record of the questioning that has been done for the past 17 days would show or reflect a bias to the other side. I do not call somebody who just asked for clarificatory or who would not go leaning to the Vice President as against the Vice President already. Pero kung titingnan mo naman yung Cayetano siblings, si Amy Marcos at saka si Robin Padilla, it's either their questions are in Pluto, out of this world, or talagang sumisentro. Kasi you are not there to destroy the witness. You are there to clarify. Ang ginagawa nila, sinisira nila yung witness, which sadly, they have a weak, tawag dito, chance of doing because matitibay yung ebidensya at saka matitibay yung dokumento.
Yan ang paniniwala mo.
Well,
So,
yeah.
I'd
So
like,
far.
So far, okay.